Understanding, as a being of continuous flows, roamed by thousands of trains and millions of people, and centered in the metro network, the Kievskaya station stands up with a bunch of opportunities that inevitably lead us in a different interventions. Taking advantage of this dynamic condition the metro has, and understanding the station as the vertical connection with the surface, the first intervention appears. A proposal that plans an alternative to the actual delivery system with combustion-powered vehicles. It creates a system that works with the flow of people and takes advantage of the train routes throughout the city. It uses the wagons by transforming some of them for the transport of packages. An infrastructure is proposed. It consists of a square section tubes, the size for a standard delivery package. It transports the packages from the wagons to the surface and vice versa. The appearance of this tubular infrastructure is able to lead us to the next project, a project which interest is to make habitable this place of passage. It uses the delivery tubes for installing a series of gadgets that have the power to include and change programs in the subway spaces. It finds the opportunity based on the times of the station and variations of density of people. The mobilier hangs from the tube and creates a variety of temporal programs. A market, a coffee shop, and an art gallery, for example, can happen at different hours in a day. Also, remark the interventions of video mapping that complement the exhibition program and have the power to change the visual condition of the place. It pretends to create a different station every day. From another side, there's an imminent decay of the existing museum next to the station. Its actual use is to gather an exhibition for the future new line of the Moscow metro. This is key for the development of the next project, the transformation of this museum into a workshop that can extract wagons from the lanes and change its usage for making them run again as delivery trains. Also, in the new workshop, trains can be repaired or discard the old trains. This last project proposes to recycle these old trains into a wagon cemetery outside. The wagons build a multi-program tower, a place to be and not for consuming. It dialogues with intervention outside of the station. The wagons are transformed to attend to structural and habitability questions, transformed into structural beings that can be piled up, maintaining the existing elements such as doors and windows. The tower organizes around two communication blocks that have the function to include the main installations of the building. Like this, it appears a tower made up of underground waste that grows against the enormous shopping center at the other side of the street. It's not only a constructive solution, it proposes a new space that has a symbolic, transforming condition in a recycling level in a post-carbon era. It is pretending to make a transformation of the station in different scales, taking into account questions like mobility, delivery, coexistence, and recycling. These interventions work on the Kievskaya station, but they are examples of a system that could reach the whole metro network, working in different stations throughout the city.